Good morning, dear children. Open your textbook. Come on, page number 41. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Happy Boy. And what we are going to learn to this lesson, the learning point is there is happiness in helping others. Can you tell me what is a happiness? Do you know what is a happiness? When do you become happy? When do you feel happy? Actually, happiness is a feeling, or we can say a state of a mind. When do you feel happy? When someone gives you chocolates, when you get toys, receives birthday gifts, ice creams, or something that you like the most you get, then you become very happy. When you play, you become happy. Let's start this lesson with this. Tick the ones that you love the most. What are the things you love the most? Do you love to play outdoor games? The children are playing outdoor games here. Do you love? Good. Do you love to have chocolates? Good. Do you love to watch television? Cartoon networks? Cartoon channels? Do you love to have ice creams? Coloring with sketch pens or crayons? You can take the things that you love the most. Here, this lesson is about a boy. And the whole lesson is about the happiness. Just I told you, happiness is a feeling. Happiness is something that you feel within. Happiness comes from within, from inside, within yourself. Happiness is basically a state of a mind. Happiness helps us to stay fit both mentally and physically. And most of the times, happiness depends on events or occasion. When you get good marks, you become very happy. When your dearest friend come to play with you, then you become very happy. When you get ice cream, chocolates from your father, then you become happy. These are the reasons of happiness. But what is the reasons of, but this boy, reason of happiness is a different. Let's see what is the reason of the happiness of this boy. This is a story about a little boy. Let's read the lesson. There was a poor little boy who did not have any toys. Yet he was very happy. This story about is a poor little boy. How is the boy? The boy is very poor. Poor means not having much money. He's very poor. So because of that, this boy did not have any toys. But then also this boy is very happy. People often ask him how he was always happy. He said that he did small things for others which gave him a nice feeling inside. However, no one really believed him. They thought there must be some secret behind it. Though this boy was very poor, he used to be very happy. He did not have any toys, but he was very happy within inside. So people were surprised why this or how this boy was very happy all the time. And whenever the people used to ask the boy the reason behind his happiness, he said that he did small things for others which gave him a nice feeling inside. Small things for others means what? This boy used to help other. And because of that, the boy was feeling happy or feeling nice inside. And this This inside feeling made him very, very happy. But the people were not believing him. They were not trusting. Believe means Vishwas in Marathi. They thought there must be some secret behind it. What is the meaning of secret? Secret means in Marathi it said gupit, or there is an unknown thing behind it. Something there is different that makes him happy. In this way, the people were thinking.